फूड, एजुकेशन, इक्वालिटी, ये सब जीवन के कुछ ऐसे अहम पहलू हैं जो हर इंसान का जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार हैं। लेकिन फिर भी ना चाहकर हमारे समाज में बहुत से ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इनमें से एक या अधिक से महरूम हैं। आवश्यकता है कि हम सब मिलकर समाज में ऐसे लोगों की सहायता करें। इसी उद्देश्य को मद्देनजर रख हिंदू चैरिटीज फॉर अमेरिका प्रत्येक वर्ष दिवाली गिविंग फेस्ट का आयोजन करती है। फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स, दिवाली अंधकार से उजाले की ओर ले जाती है। इस अवसर पर यदि शिक्षा के माध्यम से किसी का जीवन उजागर कर सकें तो कैसा रहे। हिंदू चैरिटीज ऑफ अमेरिका अपने सेल्फलेस सर्विस के मिशन को लिए साल दर साल दिवाली गिविंग फेस्ट द्वारा डोनेशंस एकत्रित कर अनेक स्थानीय स्टूडेंट्स की मदद करती है।
Hindu Charities is an organization that is formed in Austin with the intent to give something back to the community that we live in. Hindus from India and actually all over the world have come to this country and they have succeeded because of their education. At the same time, the communities that we live in have embraced us and given us an opportunity to succeed. So Hindu Charities is really trying to give back the gift of education to the communities that we live in. We have programs twice a year where we raise funds to really do two things. First is give school supplies to homeless children in the Central Texas area. And the second what we do is we raise funds to give scholarships to students who are getting vocational training here in the Central Texas area. So scholarships for people who are training to be plumbers, electricians, dental hygienists, and clinical assistants. Again, this program today is the Diwali Giving Fest. The Festival of Lights is also an opportunity for Hindus in Central Texas to donate and give the gift of vocational training to the youth in Central Texas.
दिवाली गिविंग फेस्ट में त्योहार की मस्ती कायम रखने के लिए ऑस्टिन सितारा सिंगिंग कंपटीशन का आयोजन किया गया।
सकते तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
The Hindu Charities for America sponsors a Diwali giving event on an annual basis, and it does remarkable work for children in need in this area. So many children find it difficult to go to college or to go to a higher education. The $500 scholarships that the Hindu Charities for America gives to these children make an immense difference in the quality of their lives and the potential for their future success.
It's been a pleasure partnering with the Hindu Charities for America on this extraordinary event. Harish Koticha has been our primary contact, and he has allowed us to continue our partnership. We wouldn't have been, this event allows for our students to receive scholarships, for vocational scholarships for our students in the district, many of whom wouldn't have the opportunity to go to school without this support, financial support. Over 80% of our students qualify for free or reduced lunch, and having the support from the Hindu Charities for America allows for them to believe that they have the opportunity to go on to college and pursue their dreams.
अब वक्त तो चला है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, पर जाएगा नहीं। कम्युनिटी राउंडअप में अभी बाकी है बहुत कुछ। हम बहुत जल्द लौटेंगे।